First things first, don't forget to charge your camera. Next, we download the app on the Apple Store or the Google Play Store, the OCam Pro app. Here we have this Ultra HD camera by VIDCASTIVE. Here's the manual, and these are the things it comes with. So it comes with two square little plates, and you mount them. There's a mount, the square plates, and then there's a circle washer and the circle plates. So each of the plates has an adhesive on the back, so you could stick it, and this little blue film which comes off. So you could take that off, and you could peel off this white part so you could stick it. This little mount is magnetic, so it sticks to it. So you stick this to the wall, stick this to it, and the camera goes here. If you wanna mount it without the mount, then you just use the washer and the circle. The circle plate sticks to the camera by itself, but the washer just adds that extra magnetic force, so it keeps it on there. The blue light turns on the other side. Let's go to add device.
Powered on the device, scan the QR code on the device. For about 5 seconds. Wait for the device's voice prompt or see the indicator light is always on, and then click next.
Connect to your Wi-Fi. QR code comes out. We're gonna point the camera at the QR code. And connected. Here's the camera. Here's the base, just so you can see it's magnetic. And back here, it's magnetic also. It's an adhesive strip you take off. This back piece is magnetic also, so if you just put this here, it'll stick, but it's not as strong. When you add the little magnetic washer to it, it makes it stronger so it could stick. There you go. And the adhesive is back here. So either way you want to do it, put it just straight with the camera, or you want to use the mount. It's up to you. Either way works, it gives you different options. Cool little camera.